Hello everyone, this is Motor Skills. Okay, this is a very secretive subject and YouTube definitely doesn't want anyone to know about this crazy trick because they want to keep as much money as possible. So today I'm going to show you how to get free money off YouTube. What you're going to want to do is go into the YouTube Creator Studio, preferably on Google Chrome because, Google and YouTube, one and the same. Then you're going to go into the Earn Revenue tab, like I am now. Now comes the really important part. Press F12. You'll see the secret code console, which you can use to change the YouTube database. This is a very secretive and exclusive part of YouTube. Okay, so now right click on the Revenue tab and press Inspect. Look at the text on the right and edit it by selecting this option. Choose the value you want and type it in. I only want a small amount, I'd say around $1 million, so that's what I'll type in. I'll put some commas in too, to make it easier to read. To save your vast sums of money, press enter, and now close the hacking console. There you have a guide to getting free money off YouTube. Like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. Oh, and also, be sure to use this power carefully.